Now question number 2. For each of operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative or associative. Number 1. On Z, star defined by A star B is equal to A minus B. In our first set, this star operation is not a commutative, also not a associative. First, we prove this is not commutative. For all AB belongs to Z, A star B is equal to A minus B and B star A is equal to B minus A. A minus B and B minus A both not equal. Therefore, A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore, we say that the star is not commutative. Clear? Now for associative, for all ABC belongs to Z, A star B star C, first we get a value of this. So A star B star C is equal to B minus C and A star B minus C is equal to A minus subtraction of these two numbers B minus C. So is equal to A minus B plus C. Take result number 1. And A star B star C is equal to A star B is equal to A minus B star C. Operation of these two numbers is A minus B minus C. Take result number 2. Now compare both result. In first A minus B plus C, in second A minus B minus C. Both are not equal. So by 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Clear? So here star operation is not a commutative and not a associative. Now number 2 of second question, on a Q, star defined by A star B is equal to AB plus 1. First we check for commutative. Take two numbers AB belongs to Q, that is two rational number. A star B is equal to AB plus 1. So is equal to interchange A and B, we get BA plus 1 and this becomes a B star A. So A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore star is commutative. Clear? Now for associative, take a ABC belongs to R. A star B star C is equal to A star, here B star C is equal to, apply this star operation, B into C plus 1, B C plus 1. So is equal to, now A star BC plus 1 is equal to product of these two, that is A into BC plus 1 plus 1. So is equal to, we get ABC plus A plus 1. Take result number 1. Same, get A star B star C. Here A star B is equal to AB plus 1 star C. Now AB plus 1 star C is equal to AB plus 1 into C plus 1. So is equal to, say take inside, we get ABC plus C plus 1. Take result number 2. Now compare both result. Both are distinct. So we see that by 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Clear? Similarly, we are able to complete the question number 3rd. A star B is equal to AB upon 2. Number 4, A star B is equal to 2 raised to AB. Number 5, A star B is equal to A raised to B. And 6, A star B is equal to A upon B plus 1. Just try to solve yourself. Friends, here we solve some more question of exercise 1.4. Question number 3rd. Consider the binary operation minimum on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A minimum B is equal to minimum of A and B. Write the operation table of operation this. Remember this how to make operation tables. Here operation minimum given and element of sets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row, and in a column we write these elements, and result we write in a cross of row and a column. 1, 1, minimum of 1, 1 is 1. Same, minimum of 1 and 2 is a 1. Minimum of 1 and 3 is a 1. Same for 5, 1. Clear? Same for 2. Minimum of 2 and 1 is 1. 2 and 2 is a 2. 2 and 3 is a 2. 2 and 4 is a 2. 2 and 5 is a 2. Same for 3. Write a minimum between the 3 and 1. 1. 3 and 2. 2. 3 and 3. 3. 3 and 4. 3. 3 and 5. 3. Same for 4. For 4, we write 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4, and 5 for 4. After 4, we write the same. After 3, we write the same in column and in a row. Same for 5. Here for 5, at last we write 5, and in other minimum value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear this? So this becomes a operation table for this operation minimum. Clear? Now question number 4. Consider a binary operation star on set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by following multiplication table. Here a table given star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here result we write in a cross of a row and a column. Here for 1, 1, 1, 121, 131, 141, 151. Same for this 1 and this column 1, 1, 1, 1. Here 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 1. Same for this 1, 1, 1 and 5. From this table, we see that this star operation is highest common factor, HCF. Common factor of 1, 1, 1, highest common factor. Common factor of 1 and 2, 1, 1 and 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1. Same for 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 4, highest common factor. Factor of 2 are 1 and 2. Factor of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So highest common is a 2 and the highest is a 2. So 2. Similarly for other numbers. Number 1 given in this question. Compute 2 star 3 star 4 and similarly 2 star 3 star 4. Here first we compute this 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to, first get 2 star 3. That is a result of 2 and 3. 2 lies in a second row and 3 contain a column this and intersection of this row contain 2, column contain 3 is a 1. So result of this is a 1 star 4. Similarly, think how to find this 1 cross 4. 1 star 4. Here 1 star 4. Take a column row contain 1 and a column contain 4 and get the intersection. This become 1. So 1 star 4 is equal to 1. So 2 star 3 star 4, value of this is equal to 1. Similarly, we get 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star, first get this 3 star 4. 3 star 4. So we get intersection of row contain 3 and the column contain 4. We get 1. 2 star, remove this bracket, 2 star 1. Now intersection of row contain 2 and the column contain 1 is a 1. So 2 star 1 is equal to 1. Here 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to 1. 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to also 1. Value of both equal. So we say that here this star operation is associative. We know that A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Then this become associative. Now number 2, is the star commutative? What do you say about this from this table? Is the commutative or not? Here 2 star 3 is equal to 1 and 3 star 2 is equal to 1. Both become same. So from these tables, for any value of A and B, for all AB belongs to given set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A star B, taking any value of A and B, we get B star A. Clear from this table. Like as 4 and 2. 4 star 2 is equal to 2 and 2 star 4 is equal to also 2. Both have same value 2. So we say that A star B is equal to B star A in a common. Therefore, this star operation is a commutative. Clear? This is a commutative. Is commutative. Clear? Now, question number third. Compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 4. Compute yourself. 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. First find the result of 2 star 3 from this table. 4 star 5, 4 star 5. Then apply same and get a final result. Clear? Question number 5 given. Let a star be a binary operation on a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A star B is equal to SCF of A and B. SCF of A and B. Is the operation star same as the operation star defined in question 4 above? Justify your answer. Here, first we get the value table from this operation. Here star is remember this is the SCF of A and B. Write element of this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row, and in a column also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now result of 1 and 1 write in the intersection of a row contain 1 and column contain 1. So 1, 1, that is the SCF. Highest common factor of 1 and 1 is 1. Same for 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1. Similarly for 2 and other 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, highest common factor of 2 and 2, factor of 2, 1, 2. Highest is a 2 and both in both common is a 2. So 2. 2, 3, highest common factor, factor of 2, 1, 2, factor of 3, 1, 3, highest common is a 1. So 1. Similarly for this factor of 2 are 1 and 2, factor of 4 are 2, 1, 2 and 4. Highest common are 1 and 2 both, but the highest is a 2. So 2. Here 1. Similarly for 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. For 4, 1, 2, 4 and 2, 2. Here 1, 4, 4, 4. Here 1. For 5, 1, 1, 1, 1 and the last 5. Clear? So from these tables and given tables in question 4, both same. So we say that both star operation are same. Clear? Both star operation are same. Given in question 4 and 5. Now question number 6. Let a star be binary operation on n given by A star B is equal to LCM of A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Find number 1 5 star 7. Think how to find a 5 star 7. Here 5 star 7 is equal to LCM of phi and least common multiple, smallest multiple of 5 and 7, and is a common multiple of 5 and 7, and a common 35 and least 35. So LCM of 5 and 7 is a 35. Remember this, how to find this LCM of 5 and 7. So 5 star 7 is equal to 35. Similarly, 20 star 16 is equal to, you know that how to find the LCM of 20 and 16. Get the factor of 20, 2, then 2, then 5. You know that how to find this factor. Divide by 2, then 10. Divide by 2, so 5. Then divide by 5, so 1. So 2, 2, and 5. Now factor of 16, first divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2. Well, so divide by 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. Now LCM of this we write a common only one times and write all. So 2, so LCM of 2 is a 20 and 16 is a 2 into 2 into 5, and from second we write a other than common, that is a 2 into 2. So here becomes a 16 into 5 becomes a 80. So LCM of 16 and 20 is a 18. Or first write a multiple of 20, multiple of 16, and write the smallest common multiple. Clear? So is a 18. Number 2 given is the star commutative. Yes, LCM of A and B is equal to LCM of B and A, both equal. So A star B is equal to B star A. So this is a commutative. Is associative? Yes, LCM of A B star C, that is LCM of, remember this here, A star B star C is equal to becomes A star B star C. That means LCM of ABC. Here LCM of ABC, both equal. So we say that this operation is a associative. Now identity for this star operation. Let for all A belongs to given set N, set of a natural number, E belongs to N such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. That means here we select E identity, and is possible only for E is equal to 1. Is true for E is equal to 1. Therefore, identity is a 1. Clear this? Now next, which element of N are invertible? If we think for all A belongs to N, there exists a B belongs to N, that means B select as the inverse of A. So A star B is equal to 1, and this not happen. This inverse of any elements does not exist. Now identity for this star operation. Let for all A belongs to given set N, set of a natural number, E belongs to N such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. That means here we select E, identity, and is possible only for E is equal to 1. Is true for E is equal to 1. Therefore, identity is a 1. Clear this? Now next, which element of n are invertible? If we think for all A belongs to n, there exists a B belongs to n. That means B select as the inverse of A. So A star B is equal to 1, and this not happen. Inverse of a element does not exist. Clear? Question number 7 given. Is the star defined on a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, a binary operation? Remember this star operation, LCM of A and B does not a binary operation, because star operation of 3 and 5, 3 star 5 is a LCM of 3 and 5, multiple of 3, 3, 9, 15, multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15, common list, common multiple is a 15, and 15 not belongs to this set, does not belongs to given set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this star operation is not a binary operation. Clear? So giving counter example, we say that given operation is not a binary operation. Now question number 8. Let a star be binary operation on n defined by A star B is equal to SCF of A and B. A and B. Is the star commutative? Is the associative? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? SCF of A and B is equal to SCF of B and A, so this becomes commutative. SCF of A and B and C is equal to LCF of A and B and C, so this becomes associative. Clear? Now here we think about the identity for this star operation on a set n. Let E is identity. E is identity. First suppose this. Therefore, for all A belongs to n, A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Because E, here we select identity, so A star E is equal to A star A is equal to become A. That means SCF of A and E is equal to SCF of E and A is equal to A. Not possible for this binary operation A star B is equal to SCF of A and B. So identity does not exist. Therefore, E does not exist. Clear this? Now next question, number 9. Let a star be binary operation on a set Q, set of rational number. Number 1, A star B is equal to A minus B. Number 2, A star B is equal to x square plus b square. Number third, A star B is equal to A plus A into B. 4. A star B is equal to A minus B raised to 2. Now 5. A star B is equal to AB upon 4. And 6. A star B is equal to A big square. Find which of the binary operations are commutative, and which are associative. For first, if we take A star B, we get A minus B, and B star A is equal to B minus A. A minus B and B minus A both are not equal, so this star operation is not a commutative. Clear this? So for first, for AB belongs to Q, A star B is equal to A minus B, and B star A is equal to B minus A, both not equal. Therefore A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore this star operation is not commutative, is not a commutative. Clear this? Similarly for associative, for all ABC belongs to Q, first get A star B star C. Here A star B star C is equal to B minus C, and A star B minus C is equal to subtraction of these two numbers A minus B minus C is equal to becomes A minus B plus C. Take result number 1. Same, find A star B star C. Here we get A star B is A minus B star C, and A minus B star C is equal to A minus B minus C. Take result number 2. Compare both. Hereby 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore is not a associative. Clear this? Is not a associative. So remember this. This operation star is not commutative, not associative. Similarly, we prove A star B is equal to x square plus b square. This x square plus b square is a commutative but not a associative. Similarly, you are able to prove this remaining equation. Just try yourself. Now question number 11. Let A is equal to n cross n and star be binary operation on A defined by A B star C D is equal to A plus C B plus D. Show that star is a commutative. So that star is a commutative and associative. Show this. Find identity element for this star operation. Remember this here. How to prove this is a commutative. For commutative, we know that AB star CD is equal to CD star AB. Then we say that is a commutative. Here AB star CD is equal to, we have A plus C, B plus D. Interchange A and C, B and D, because the addition is a associative, commutative. We know that addition is a commutative. So C plus A is equal to B plus D plus B. Clear? So is equal to, and this becomes C D star A B. So star is a commutative. Therefore, star is a commutative. Clear? Now for associative, for all AB, CD and EF belongs to A and cross N, AB star CD star EF is equal to, first get a star operation for these two elements. Here AB, write the same, star operation of this is a C plus E, D plus F, D plus F. Clear? So is equal to, star operation for this is equal to A plus C plus E, B plus D plus F. Clear? So is equal to A plus C plus E, B plus D plus F. Clear? So is equal to becomes A plus C, that is A plus C, B plus D star E F, and is equal to A plus C, B plus D is the star operation of A, B star C, D bracket over star E F. So we see that AB star CD star EF is equal to AB star CD star EF. Therefore, this star operation is a associative. Clear this? Is a associative. Now question number 12. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. Number 1 given, for and the binary operation star on a set N, A star A is equal to A for all A belongs to N. A star A is equal to A for all A belongs to N. Here star operation on N defined by A star B is equal to A plus B. A plus B, that is addition of these two numbers. A star A is equal to A, not possible, because if we take A is equal to 1, then 1 star 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, not equal to 1. Similar for any other numbers. So A star A is equal to A for all A belongs to N is not a true. Clear? So for any A belongs to N, A star A is equal to A, not possible, not a possible. Therefore, is not a true. Clear this? Number 2, is a star a commutative binary operation on N? Yes, addition is a commutative. Addition is also associative. Clear this? Just try to solve yourself. Now question number 13. Consider a binary operation star on N defined by A star B is equal to A raised to 3 plus B raised to 3. Choose correct answer. Here option are given: star both associative and commutative, star commutative but not associative, star associative but not commutative, star neither commutative nor associative. Here operation star A star B is equal to A raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 given. So this operation is a commutative but not associative. So number 2 commutative but not a associative. Clear? This is only true.